Time check! Sawadee ka tukon! Hello everyone! This is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me! Let's go! Good morning everyone! Open sesame!
Thank you.
Thank you, Kateki.
Thank you.
Mga ibon dahil. It's a bird, it's a plane. Magandang araw sa lahat! What a beautiful sunrise! Makeup time! Everyone wants me. What am I? What has 4 legs but no life?
You are evil.
Samsit ka rin. You're welcome. You're welcome. Susuna! Good morning, Teacher Maria! I love you, moi! Good morning, Teacher Min. Ni hao. Morning, Teacher May new class schedule pala kami sa month of August dahil may upcoming sports day kami this month at para mabigyan ng opportunity at time ang mga students na makapag-practice, in-adjust nila yung class time duration para madali kami matapos at makapag-practice sila ng sports starting at 2:30 p.m. Bon appetit! Bon appetit!
Dugay bang kanian hit?
Ang program namin ngayon is Mother's Day program, kaya wala kaming first period. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Okay, paiking kao dai leo na. Everybody stand up. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. All right. Let's take attendance first. When I call your name, do not say here or present. Instead, I want you to say the name of your crush. Okay? If your crush... Force. Basketball player, huh? Okay, are you ready? If your crush is an idol or celebrity, it's okay. But if you're brave enough, then go. Okay, let's start. Achi. Mawin. Who's Mawin? Hey? Really? Bas. Natapat. Who's Natapat? Right? Who's We're Mawin. Oh my God. Mawin, 2 points na. 2 points. Tawan. Mawin, stand up, Mawin. Mawin. IQ. Tonkla. Mawin, why? What's your charm? Okay, Mawin. Ha? Prem, what's Prem? Prem? Achi. Who's Achi? Achi Juan? Garn? Who's cow? Oh. Arm? Prem. Who's Prem? Cow? Huh? Nampat? Who's Nampat? Mark? Pass? Bas? Oh, Tarin. New? Mawin also? Oh my God, Mawin. Kim Yang. What's first? Wurakan. Oh my God. Packard. Who's first? Bio. Packard. First. Kim Yang. Pound. Nampat. Who's Nampat? Nampat, right? Nampat. Ha? Again, please. Proud? Proud. Okay. Modang. Packard. Jenny. Tinya. Maple. Nong. Tong. Oh. Barn. Jeep. Who's Jeep? Jeep. Anda. Nampeng. Ha? Jenny. Jeep. Ha? Barn, right? Tong. Nampeng. Organ. Tonkla. Who's Tonkla? He's cute, eh? Okay, let's start with that one. Read down.
Teacher, I don't even know who's your crush.
Okay, the first one. The first one. Let's start at Chi. Achi. Let's start. Bring one chair. No, I don't like it. Bring one chair, please. What gets shorter as it grows older? If you throw a glowstone into the Red Sea, what will it become? What can you put in a bucket to make it weigh less? What do you call a nose that's 12 inches long? Okay. A certain crime is punishable if attempted but not punishable if committed. You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on board. What has hands but cannot clap? Which word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly? Where is the only place where today comes before yesterday?
Dictionary.
Forward, I am heavy. Backward, I am not. That's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class.